You're listening to Cheese.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, I'm actually on my way to New York. As well, you see that I'm traveling, but I'm actually at the rest stop right now. So yeah guys, I am actually on my way, or we're on our way. So it's me, Troy, and a couple of friends, them brother, best friend, all these things. We're heading to Montego Bay, Jamaica Montego Bay Linkup in New York. I think it was originally supposed to be Bear Mountain Park or something like that, but it has been changed to another address. I'm not really interested. We're just going. I'm really not in the mood to go anymore because my sister came and it's going on with itself, right? She going on with herself. My belly a kill me. I'm just very moody and bloated right now. And this morning, nothing was going my way. Right? My hair not turn out how it's supposed to turn out. My clothes not fit like how it's supposed to fit. But I was not going to change. So it's just one of them days. So I'm like, I don't want to bring down anybody's mood and them hypeness because everybody's excited. We've been on the road since around 9 o'clock waiting on everybody because we're all rolling together. So everybody's like in 4 separate cars right now, paired up, triple up, all these things. Just me and Troy driving together. Dropped off the kids this morning at their grandparents. I'm on vacation, by the way, guys. So vacation has officially started. So yeah, may I try get a little bit of the energy, you know, but it's not there yet. It's not there yet. But like, let's see. We stop. I don't even know where we at right now. I don't know what town, but I know we're not in New York yet. So I don't know. Let's just continue and let's beer vibes when we reach. I guess let's see how much. Let's see if I can fake it till I make it. Right? Yeah. So if you haven't already, like, share, and subscribe, please go ahead and do so. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Keneisha, and on this channel you'll be seeing a lot of everything: decorating, vibes, vlog, realness, right through. Alright.
I think we will see it if you don't lie down on the road, you know. Don't drive come back down on the road. Yo, my youth, GPS, just give me one stick right there on top. Which part of there? One of them.
You have cash?
Yeah. $4 grand. You like a car? Yeah. So then I should go in.
If I could, I would.
Yeah.
So the $10.
Yeah, man, cool. Take it easy, right? Yeah. Where's that now? Oh, shit. Ticket. Oh, I got just, we gotta put it here?
No, just if you leave and come back today, you could show us so you can come back in.
Okay, cool. Where's the Danville? Which part of it now? Left, right, away. Where's the side of there? Oh, I'm sorry. You know that lady there, no?
No, you need.
It's button there.
No, they need to have no bathroom person and have the regular bathroom.
Running from people.
Run away. Don't come to me. But the original answer, the mama don't come around.
আপনাদের সহযোগিতা যদি না পেতাম আমরা তো এত সুন্দর প্রোগ্রাম করতে পারতাম না।
So guys, we're here. I'm trying to find the bathroom or the restroom. A lot of different activities going on.
Better go to the bathroom before we go back.
So I think you can see based on the entrance of this restroom that it was disgusting. Like this was the nastiest, the worst restroom I've ever used in public. Like the worst.
Yeah, that's what we're trying early. Your chair? Yeah.
So we all let them go.
Even go back see it. We just go spot out somewhere, you know.
So don't make a second trip, just
The liquor, we still have to go back for your liquor. So I got one already, see?
huh?
What's money? I got one already. Two I got already.
Me no know nobody, you know that. You're not for it.
You're listening to Cheese, vintage vinyl expression channel on www.twitch.tv/.
But I see that's the mommy here. But I see that's the mommy here. Look now. No, for your mother. You don't really walk with the family, nobody? So don't walk up and down. So why? I guess so we're here. Not the setup that I thought it was gonna be. Like there's a lot of people, but it's a setup where everybody brings their own tent and chairs. So we actually have chairs, but now we have to find some form of shade to actually sit down. There's food, there's music. It's a good vibe. So far, I don't know nobody, so I'm not gonna know nobody. But yeah, we're here. Huh? Yeah. So yeah, this is a whole setup. Like you have to bring your own stuff. You have to bring your own pot to come here. I thought it was gonna be like a wholesome thing. It's not. It's not. So try to go back for the chairs. I just see what we can do. Alright guys, so we just left. It wasn't anything fancy for me to really record. It wasn't worth recording. There's really nothing happening. So this weekend was actually also supposed to be our anniversary weekend. Our anniversary was actually on August 8th, which was on Tuesday. We didn't do anything. I wasn't in the mood for doing anything either. So since we knew we were going to come to New York, I decided to actually let this weekend be, oh my god, let this weekend be our anniversary weekend. So we just left, I think it's Rockland State Park, and we're heading to our hotel. So I'll show you when I get there. All right. Fruits too. The only different places fruit. No, I'm to forget to get the coffee. Picture. But you have to get one different fruits. Get one different fruits. Yeah. Guys, I have to talk about this waffle maker for a second. Like, this waffle maker was the it, okay? I had to go ahead and purchase one for myself from Amazon, and that should be coming very soon. Yes, I did. But the breakfast at this hotel was chef's kiss. Like, I love this about this hotel. There's some more condiments that up on the table too. Oh, over there, sir. How's that coffee? Hey guys, so it is the next day. I'm actually home. I've been home maybe 20 minutes now. Wasn't really in the mood when I reached the hotel because it wasn't really given. So the room was so small for the amount of money I would spend, and like, I don't know, the only thing that it had going on for it is the fact that it was clean. It was clean. I gave them that. Cleanliness was their forte. And the breakfast was good. They actually had breakfast to give. And I had this waffle. Actually, we were able to make our own waffles. And I have this waffle. The waffle is giving me where I have to go buy my own waffle and start making my own waffles. Like, frozen waffles are not doing it for me anymore. So, you know, your girl gonna be buying a waffle maker. That waffle is, I'm still tasting it in my mouth. It was like, but apart from that, the internet, the TV, as you can look at this clip, like, it was out for like 20 minutes in intervals. Like, every time it comes on, it gives you like 5 minutes watch time, and then 20 minutes just out. So by the time it should come back, the movie's already done or almost done. Then the room was hot. They're like the AC was on a timer. I never really give it the option to really change it. So the room was like 74 degrees the whole time, like 74 going up to 78. Like, that wasn't giving a hotel vibes. Like, me do want cool and shrivel up in a sheet the whole time. But when you see me actually take my sheet off to actually have a nap, like, that was crazy. The other thing is that, as I say, you already hear me rambling all the time about the where we went. Like, Troy had a blast because he saw everybody that he knew from Montego Bay and from all these different areas in Montego Bay. I, for one, if you know anything about me, I don't really know nobody. And I was not about to be walking up and down to find if I know nobody. I think I met one person that I knew, and that was in association with, well, we worked together, But majority of Troy's friend was, I knew them to an extent by association of Troy, but majority of them, like, it would be like people that he grew up with that I've never met, because I don't know, like some of them I know, but some of them not everybody. So for the most part, Troy had a blast. Me, missing the whole time. What else makes me catch you back fun? Like this trip, I had so much high expectation at first, and then on my way going there, or even the day or 2 days before, like I don't know, it's because my thing came and it just dimmed my vibes. I never so enthused, and then going there actually sold it where it was nothing to be excited about, and the hotel was not, as I said before. And then couldn't do anything because Miss Lady was here. So we just chilled most of the time, watch TV and just, chat and stuff. So we left the hotel around 11 o'clock, reached back here like a couple minutes after 1. It's a Sunday. Picked up the kids, grabbed a couple things that I need to go cook. So I'm about to go in the kitchen when I'm done. But yeah, that's it. That's my weekend. So I'm off for the next couple weeks before I go back to work. So yeah, I'll just be here. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have not already subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Like this video, share the video, tell a friend to tell a friend. Until next time, guys. Bye.
Come here, say when me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.